Hey everyone, this is Justin from the Carguments podcast, and this is my experience in the Acura NSX at Exotics Racing. This car was a lot of fun. It was very well engineered, very quick, and held the corners very well. So it really surprised me, and I hope you guys all enjoy.
The
steering feels a lot more responsive.
Yes.
Easier.
Yes. Got one coming, I'll let you know when. Yeah, every car you're going to be in isn't going to feel like the last one.
Am I going to want to come out of here then kind of wide and then cut to the left?
Yeah, we
Okay.
come out a little wide. Alright, go ahead. And then, yep, same thing. Straight through here, all the way to that cone. You'll feel a difference in the brakes. And start turning. Keep turning, keep turning. And unwind all the way out. Gets going a lot faster. Then brake. Brake more. And start turning. Keep turning all the way to your apex. And unwind your wheel out. There you go.
Should I be on the throttle faster there?
Brake, not necessarily faster, but if we widen your entry, it'll help you carry more momentum in.
Okay.
And unwind out. There you go. Back to your right. Light brake. And start turning. Turning all the way to the second set of cones and unwind out. There you
Oh,
go.
I shouldn't go that wider. Yeah.
You're okay.
Gotcha.
Brake straight. And start turning. All the way in. Keep turning, keep turning. Now unwind your wheel out. There you go. Back to your right. Brake here to balance the car. Start turning, then throttle straight. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Brake straight. Start turning. Keep turning all the way in. Unwind your wheel all the way out. There you go. So just widen this entry up here. Keep going, keep going. Brake. Start releasing the brake and start turning. Keep turning, turn more. There you go. Unwind out. Keep going, keep going. And brake. Start releasing the brake. Start turning. Keep turning, keep turning. And unwind the wheel. There you go. Back to your right. Light brake here. And start turning. Keep turning, keep turning. Unwind. There you go. And brake straight. Wait for it. Start turning. It's okay. Keep turning. Wait for the throttle. Now squeeze the throttle. There you go. Back to your right. And light brake. Start turning. Set yourself up for this corner. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Keep going, keep going. Brake straight. Start turning. Keep turning all the way in. Unwind out. There you go. Keep going, keep going. All the way down. Keep going, keep going. Brake. Start releasing the brake. Start turning. All the way in. Good job. Unwind out. Keep going, keep going. Brake. Brake a little more. Start releasing it. Start turning. Keep turning all the way in. There you go. Unwind your wheel. Back to your right. Light brake. Start turning. Hit that second set of cones. Now unwind the wheel out. There you go. Brake straight. Wait for it. Start turning. All the way in. Keep turning, keep turning. Now unwind your wheel out. Back to your right. A little bit of brake here. Start turning, then throttle straight. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Brake straight. Start turning. Keep turning, keep turning. Unwind out. Let it come out. There you go. Keep going, keep going. How do you like it?
Awesome.
A
I feel
little
like
bit
it's a
better?
little bit faster.
Brake.
The Gallardo is a lot slower.
Brake
right?
hard.
So
Yeah. And start turning. There you go. Keep turning all the way in. Unwind your wheel. Good job. Now this one picks up speed a little bit faster. Brake. Brake a little more. Start releasing the brake. Start turning. All the way in. Keep turning. Unwind out. There you go. Back to your right. Light brake. Start turning through here. Keep turning. Keep turning. Unwind your wheel out. There you go. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Just a little bit. Brake straight. And start turning. All the way in. Wait for the throttle. Now unwind the wheel out and squeeze the throttle. There you go. Back to your right. Brake here. Start. Brake. Brake hard. And start turning. Keep turning, keep turning. All the way in. Keep turning.
said, do I lose a second for hitting that?
No, it's not autocross. It's okay. Keep going. Brake. And start releasing the brake. Keep turning all the way in. Squeeze the throttle. Back to your right. Light brake. And start turning. Turning all the way in. Now unwind the wheel out. There you go. And brake straight. Those were our 6 laps. We're going to go ahead and exit. So your thoughts on this one versus the Gallardo?
It was a lot easier to control, a lot quicker, I felt like. Yeah.
So yeah. All the way down. I agree.
Just want to thank the team here at Exox Racing. This was a lot of fun. I really appreciate all their hard work and helping me out here. And yeah, if you want to check it out, exoxracing.com. It's probably the most fun thing anyone can do if you're into cars. I mean, this was a blast. So thanks again, Exox Racing, and we'll see you later.